thought I see it all. I thought I feel it all. I think I know it all. But why do I feel like I'm falling? When I laid my eyes, you were hiding in the clouds. Can't believe my sight. You were under this whole time. My heart is beating fast. Everything falls in line. No way, no way. Show the way. I don't wanna wait for tomorrow. Blown away. I don't wanna wait for tomorrow. 'Cause I never knew that I'm in a paradise.
Oke guys, ketemu lagi sama Chef Dede di sini. Ya, sekarang kita berada di tol Palembang ya, dari Kayu Agung menuju Bakauheni. Dan kita sekarang ditemani oleh Bapak sopir, Bapak Ustadz Ugun. Disinilah dia sekarang, Bapak Ustadz Ugunnya. Ini yang kaset. Oh. Ini Bapak Ustadz Ugun. Ya. Dan di sini ditemani oleh Bapak Okom. Ya, tua-tua keladi ini, semakin tua semakin jadi. Sama kita ini Chef Dede. Waduh, ngopi terus, ngopi bro. Ya, jangan lupa syahadat ya, syahadat perbaiki sholat. Oleh Pak Ugun, si ganteng kalem.